Hello everyone, welcome back at Literature Hub. In today's video, we will discuss some important MCQs from the modern era. So question 1 is that which play of Shaw satirizes European materialism? Options are The Apple Cart, Heartbreak House, none of the above. So right answer is Heartbreak House. April is the cruelest month. This is the opening line of The Wasteland, The Hollow Man, the love songs of J. Alfred Prufrock. So right answer is The Wasteland. The play Chicken Soup with Barley is written by Arnold Vescio, Harold Pinter, Aldous Huxley. So right answer is Arnold Vescio. Who succeeded Robert Bridges as a Poet Laureate of England? Rudyard Kipling, John Masefield, W.B. Yeats. So right answer is John Masefield. Identify the work of John Masefield which is considered as a classic of children's literature. The Midnight Fog, Everlasting Mercy, King Cole. So right answer is The Midnight Fog. Poetry collection The North Ship is written by Philip Larkin, Ted Hughes, none of them. So right answer is this collection is written by Philip Larkin. Who is the author of tragic play Riders to the Sea? J.M. Synge, T.S. Eliot, G.B. Shaw. So right answer is J.M. Synge. The Birthday Party is play written by Philip Larkin, Harold Pinter, Arnold Vescio. So right answer is Harold Pinter. Ted Hughes was married to American poets Sylvia Plath, Maya Angelou, Emily Dickinson. So right answer is Sylvia Plath. E.M. Forster's A Passage to India deals with relationship between the Hindus and Muslims, relationship between the Christians and Muslims, relationship between the Britishers and Indians. So E.M. Forster's Passage to India deals with relationship between the Britishers and Indians. Top Girls is written by Carly Churchill, H.G. Wells, G.B. Shaw. So right answer is Carly Churchill. Rudyard Kipling was born in America, England or Bombay. So he was born in Bombay. Human Bondage is written by Galsworthy, W.B. Yeats, Somerset Maugham. So right answer is Somerset Maugham. Oh, East is East and West is West and never the twain can meet. Lines by Eliot, G.B. Shaw, Rudyard Kipling. So right answer is Rudyard Kipling. The law is what? It is majestic edifice sheltering all of us, each stone of which rests on another. In which play of Galsworthy do this line occur? The Silver Box, Strife or Justice? So right answer is Justice. D.H. Lawrence Dash novel has autobiographical elements. Rambo, Sons and Lovers, The White Peacock. So right answer is Sons and Lovers. In which year was Bernard Shaw awarded the Nobel Prize? 1924, 1923, 1925. So right answer is 1925. Which of the poems of T.S. Eliot ends with the lines Datta Dayadvam Damyata Santi Santi Santi? Love songs of J. Alfred Prufrock, The Wasteland, none of the above. So right answer is The Wasteland. The phrase religion of the blood is associated with Virginia Woolf, E.M. Forster, D.H. Lawrence. So right answer is D.H. Lawrence. Who called Hamlet an artistic failure? W.B. Yeats, Rudyard Kipling, T.S. Eliot. So right answer is T.S. Eliot. T.S. Eliot, James Joyce and Rabindranath Tagore were greatly influenced by John Masefield, Ezra Pound, G.M. Hopkins. So right answer is Ezra Pound. T.S. Eliot dedicated his The Wasteland to W.B. Yeats, Arnold or Ezra Pound. So right answer is Ezra Pound. The poem If is written by E.M. Forster, Rudyard Kipling, T.S. Eliot. So right answer is Rudyard Kipling. Virginia Woolf was the daughter of eminent critic Leonard Leslie Stephen, none of them. So she was the daughter of Leslie Stephen. The terms INSCAP and INSTES are associated with G.M. Hopkins, John Masefield, E.M. Forster. So right answer is G.M. Hopkins. In which of Shaw's plays a chocolate cream hero appears? Man and Superman, Candida, Arms and Man. So right answer is Arms and Man. Who is the author of Two Cheers for Democracy? E.M. Forster, Rudyard Kipling, H.G. Wells. So right answer is E.M. Forster. Who is the originator of the sprung rhythm? G.M. Hopkins, John Masefield, Rudyard Kipling. So right answer is G.M. Hopkins. The term stream of consciousness is coined by William James, Virginia Woolf, James Joyce. So right answer is William James. The poet who supported British imperialism in India, Rudyard Kipling, J.M. Synge or Arnold. So right answer is Rudyard Kipling. For art's sake alone I would not face the toil of the writing a single sentence, said by T.S. Eliot, G.B. Shaw, H.G. Wells. So right answer is G.B. Shaw. Aldous Huxley borrowed the title Brave New World from Tempest, The Wasteland or Hamlet. So right answer is The Tempest. James Joyce's Ulysses is based on the pattern of Odyssey, Aeneid, The Wasteland. So right answer is Odyssey. In how many parts is The Wasteland is divided? 3 parts, 6 parts or 5 parts? So right answer is 5 parts. Who was the founder of literary club Bloomsbury Group? T.S. Eliot, Virginia Woolf, Harold Pinter. So right answer is Virginia Woolf. What is the central theme of Bernard Shaw's Man and Superman? A woman's search for fitting mat, a dog's search for fitting mat, a man's search for fitting mat. So right answer is a man's search for fitting mat. What is the central theme of Shaw's Mrs. Warren's profession? Prostitution, business or physician? So right answer is prostitution. Joseph Conrad's novels are generally set in the background of the playground, the sea, none of the above. So right answer is the sea.